Promoting Amazon affiliate links involves strategic placement and engaging content to drive traffic and encourage purchases. Quality content creation. Create high-quality content such as blog posts, reviews, tutorials, or videos relevant to your niche or audience. Strategic link placement. Integrate affiliate links naturally within your content. Avoid spamming or overloading with links. Instead, focus on providing value and relevance. Product reviews and recommendations. Write comprehensive and honest reviews of products, including your affiliate links. Highlight benefits, features, and personal experiences to encourage clicks. Use visuals. Include attractive images, infographics, or videos showcasing products alongside your affiliate links to increase engagement. Email marketing. Utilize email newsletters or campaigns to share promotions, new products, or exclusive deals to your subscribers, incorporating affiliate links. Social media promotion. Share affiliate links on your social media platforms, adhering to each platform's guidelines. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling captions to encourage clicks. Guest posting and collaboration. Contribute guest posts or collaborate with other websites, blogs, or influencers in your niche, integrating affiliate links where appropriate. Track performance. Use Amazon's reporting tools or other analytics platforms to track the performance of your affiliate links. Analyze click-through rates and conversions to optimize future strategies.